How to fix your TikTok cannot change username. So let's get straight into the video. In this video, we're going to be looking at exactly how to change it and how to fix if it's still not changing with the proper way. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, click on your top right triple lines menu. Once you've done that, you want to go into your settings and privacy or account. And then you want to simply go ahead and tap on username. Once you simply go ahead and do so, you can change your username via here. Always make sure that the username you're trying to change is available. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and see if there are going to be some errors like user already taken. You can try another in that case. If you have too many changes, you need to wait at least 30 days before changing again. And if it's still not working, you want to check if your application is absolutely up to date. You can go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and update it. If none of it works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application, which will definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.